but this is the first time we are having a joint meeting of northern governors, northern traditional rulers, including the FCT, as well as senior members of the National Assembly from the north. And we met to discuss the various challenges we are facing, security challenges and other developmental challenges. And we're also very lucky to have the Inspector General of Police brief us on the EndSARS protest and the aftermath. As a region, we support the police. We believe that there may be some bad acts in the police, just as there are bad acts in any organization, but it is no excuse to destroy or kill policemen. We strongly supported the IG, and we hope he will continue to do his job and expand the footprint and effectiveness of the Nigerian police in accordance with their mandate. We've also taken a position to continue to engage our youths, not to be used by those that have an agenda different from their innocent drive to make Nigeria better. We believe that they had the best of intentions, but there are people that are using their own intention for their own evil anti-democratic agenda. We've taken very clear positions on some of these issues, and we've also mapped out a roadmap looking at various aspects of our lives in northern Nigeria, from the economic challenges, developmental challenges, education, the Almajiri problem. We've taken all kinds of decisions, and we'll be meeting again in February to measure our progress. We've discussed the need for closer collaboration between the Nigerian police and the governors to enhance community policing as a first step. State police is a big subject that requires constitutional amendment, but at least we've agreed on community policing, which is the first step. It is the community police that will one day transmit into state police when the constitution is amended. We believe that what is needed now is to restore confidence back into Nigerian police, give them more resources, give them more training and equipment so that they do their job better in accordance with the best human rights standards.